Today, we're excited to introduce the Codex app. Now you have one place to manage your projects and delegate real work to Codex. Instead of juggling terminal windows, you get a single command center to run and supervise agents. Let me show you how it works. On the left, you can see my projects. And for each of them, I can see the tasks that Codex completed, and some of them are running live as we speak. On the right, this is the main conversation screen. Let's start with this iOS app I've been building. It tracks the ISS in real time, and let's say I want to build new features for it. I can type, or better yet, I can just speak my mind and dictate. Add a new screen that shows the astronomy picture of the day from NASA. And that's it. Codex is now taking care of all that for me, and we'll figure out the right APIs to build it. While that's running, let's take a look at another project I've been meaning to migrate for a while. Here, Codex is updating all the dependencies, and in that task, it's even migrating from WebSockets to WebRTC for our speech-to-speech integration. Now, some of these tasks take a while, minutes if not hours, especially when you're working on a large code base. And that's a big shift in how we build software. Now you can supervise your agents and simply check in when they're done. But let's go back to our first task. Here, you can see how Codex has been approaching the problem, the steps it's taking and the progress as it goes. And it's done. Now, if I click on the right side, I see the diff. I can review exactly what changed in the Swift code. I can leave inline comments for feedback, ask for another iteration, or just merge if it looks right. Now, if I need to go deeper, I can always open the changes in Xcode. But in this case, I'll just build and run the app directly from here. Working with the Codex app makes building more fun. I don't have to spend a lot of time editing code, but rather just thinking about how to shape the app the way I want it to be. Let's bring the iOS simulator on screen, and here it is. I just gave one sentence to Codex and it built this entire new feature for me. Isn't that amazing? Let's switch to another project I've been working on. It's a web-based fitness tracker. Well, for visual tasks like this one, I want to stay closer to the experience that I'm building. So by clicking on the top right corner, I can pop the conversation out like this and bring Codex with me. And I can dictate, animate the bars to simulate progress, and now I'll be able in a few seconds to see the changes apply live. It really feels like collaborating with a teammate. And here we go. Now, another powerful part of the Codex app is skills. Skills let Codex connect to all of your favorite tools. In fact, this app was actually implemented using the Figma skill, which automatically used MCP behind the scenes and set things up for me. Let me quickly show you the design. This is the homepage, and if I